Enjoy sweeping 180-degree-plus breathtaking views and unbeatable sunsets from this contemporary masterpiece. This open floor plan boasts hardwood floors throughout and is filled with every amenity you could ever want. Gorgeous granite countertops and stainless steel appliances gleam in the stylish eat-in kitchen with breakfast bar seating and tile backsplash. The adjoining family room with a built-in entertainment center sits under a wall of windows that fill the room with natural light. A convenient powder room completes the main level of the home. Step out on the stone patio where you can dine with friends and family while looking out on spectacular 100-acre cove. Set off from the private dock and enjoy kayaking, water skiing, or fishing the fresh waters. The second-floor master suite beats any hotel with 10-foot ceilings, a walk-in closet with laundry hookup, and an ensuite bath. The gorgeous master bath features a double-sink vanity and a chromotherapy tub. Floor-to-ceiling windows illuminate the suite and allow you to walk out onto 2 private balconies. On the 3rd level are 2 generous bedrooms offering private access to a shared bath. Currently, one of the bedrooms is set up as a sitting room with a balcony that looks out over the cove. Enjoy the coastal waters as you spend a day at the town beach, yacht club, or the Rhode Island Country Club. The town school system is nationally renowned and has won multiple awards. The historic town center is home to the town hall and library and filled with locally owned businesses. Commute to Providence in only 20 minutes and experience the city's renowned culture and arts. For more information, please visit the property website or call Eddie Radin at area code 425-894-6344.